Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try and put it in there. See what happens. Okay, so I put it on my stand and it's clamped on the end here, so I can get it to the right height and slide it over. And right now it's not at the right height, so it's got to come up a little bit more. That'll work. Now, okay, so I'm going to take this off, clamp off. That feels funny. Okay, so we're just going to pop it over. It's not very heavy. There we go, it's on there now. So I'm going to lower this so I can slide it, hopefully. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There we go. And we got that there. Push that out of the way. It's always good to leave sharp edges so that you can make sure you're alive when you gas your pants and stuff. So we're just going to push this in like this. Okay. Have to go on top of everything. There we go. Okay, this has got to come over here. Okay, I have to pick it up to get over top of that ridge. So I think I'm taking these off because they're just in the way right now. And they're lots of fun to put back in afterwards. Okay, that goes like that. And we'll go to the other side. I wonder if I can leave this one, maybe. Just gotta tuck it in. Just gotta go over top of that lip. So we gotta take it off. There we go. It's gonna be interesting putting it back on. There we go. Because I gotta slip it inside. I just want to get it basically there. That's what the problem was. Okay. So we're gonna stick that under there for temporary. And that piece of tubing I used before is what I need, I guess. Okay. There we go. Well, that looks really good. Sits right about there. Okay, so now it's going to fall down. So what we're going to do, you can't see. Okay, so I'll open the other door and you can see what I'm doing. Because I have a piece of formed checker plate that I use for bumpers and stuff. And it's going to sit on there. Put this over here. And then the clamp will hold it down. And the floor is kind of humped. So it's built that way. So I'm going to have to put some spacers in there on either side, I believe. Because I can't suck it down and just buckle everything. Another good thing to do is keep your work area clean. Like, you'll never see me leaving stuff everywhere, never, And if you do it, you must be, dreaming. Anyway, so we'll put this on here. And it happens to be the correct size. Okay, so now I get to climb in on all sort of all this stuff here. I'll do it from the other side. Okay, where are we? Here we are. Now this clamp goes to a main cross member underneath there. And that's what we're going to line up with. Probably should spend a day cleaning up. That would be advantageous. Yes. Okay. So let's see. Where'd that pad go? There it is. Shout out to Complete Stainless for the foam. They make awesome knee protectors. Okay, so we're just going to stick that on there if we can. And it might be too tall, in which case we're in trouble. But no, it looks like it's okay. So right in the middle. And a little bit of load. Oh, that sucks down really nice. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So we just got to pull it out. And to do that, we use our rubber poundometer, which is on the other fender. How convenient. All right. So we'll just pop it out a little bit. Hope that's not too noisy for you. Okay, so that's got to go a mile over. It's got to go like that. Whole thing's got attitude. Okay, so what do we got here? So there, that's kind of sitting where it's supposed to go, kind of. Right there. Well, we need to notch that, I forgot. And that. So we better do that right now because I said so. That's right. There's if I notch it, I can slide this panel on top of there and cut it off nice and pretty like. Let's notch that one too on both sides. So we're going to pause while I do that.